going on, everybody? Welcome to Red Dirt Bass Bros. Thank y'all for joining us. You got Jason here, just hanging out, and glad that the winter storm is over. And I would say, wow, what a storm it was. I mean, you talk about causing power failure issues all over the state, rolling blackouts left and right and everything. So, and then in our town where we live, we had some water issues and everything. So I'm just glad it's done and over with, man. A lot of rain, a lot of snow, and everything just kept coming down. It just kept coming and coming and coming. And single digit temps, we're not used to that here in the state of Texas. So yeah, I mean, as far as fishing goes, I mean, y'all saw footage down at the Tech Coast where a lot of the redfish and the speckled trout were killed off out there due to the freezing temps out there in the Bay areas. I mean, that's shallow water out there. I mean, a few feet deep, if that, you know, in some of those areas. I mean, a lot of dead fish everywhere out there. But as far as bass fishing goes, I'm not sure how it's gonna affect the spawn and everything. Will it get delayed? We don't know. But there are a couple lakes around here where good sized bass have been caught just an hour's drive from here. So my goodness, can we go a day without wind? We're back at it. Here we are. And we are going to be fighting the wind, obviously, like always, every freaking time we go bass fishing. He's ready.
I don't know. It's been a while. I'm out of shape.
Well, it's a good thing I ate my Wheaties this morning because I'm going to need it.
Not even 100 yards out and I'm already tired. I think it's been over a month since I've been kayaking.
Man, I just had a hit right here. Maybe a white, I'm not sure. Let's see if we can get him again. I got him. Holy shit, dude, he's pulling hard. It looks like a white. Yep. Got me a white. There he is. Come here, boy. Got him. Got him. Man, look at that. That's a chunk. I think we're gonna hold on to this one, guys. Maybe fillet him. It's like he got away from me. I was gonna keep it because I was looking for my stringer and I gave him a dip and then he came off. Hey, get out of my way, you're my spot. I'm scare all the bass.
I just had a one give me a good hit right here. Guessing so. Oh, you dick. The crappie. Yeah. Oh, this is that crappie. It's gonna be a record, man.
little friend now, buddy.
Yep, barely hooked. But, dude, these freaking whites. Fighters, man. All muscle. Holy shit. Oh, you. Yes, 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 yes. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Yep. Thanks. You got one too?
Yeah, you didn't even say to double up.
Oh, no. That one. Recording. Let this critter go. See ya.
Oh God. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, this one's decent. This one's decent. This one's decent. Oh, shit. Definitely a keeper there. You almost inhaled it too. Damn. That's a good size one right there, man. I don't know if y'all can see that very well or not, but I'm trying to be careful here. I'm trying not to get hooked. Ooh, that was dangerous. And he choked it, man. He really did choke it. What a successful day for us. Man, we were slaying them white bass out there today, and we even took a few home to eat, so we're pretty excited about that too. So, ain't he?
Oh, excited. Good day. I didn't catch as many as he did, but it's all right. Got some big ones. It was a good day.
Yeah, but I think you got what, about 5 or 4?
Four bass, 2 whites, 2 largies, and a big ass crappie.
Yeah, that was a good sized crappie there too. So that's gonna be good eating right there, especially in some grease. Can't wait. So anyway, we're packed up. We are done for today. We thank y'all for joining us. If y'all like that video today, hit that like and subscribe button. And hey, if wherever y'all from, let us know in the comments. We'd like to know where our subscribers are from. So anyways, that's gonna do it for us. Close her out.